Hi, today I will show you how to fix Marshall headphones when one side isn't working. This step-by-step guide will be useful for repairing both Marshall Mayer and Marshall monitor headphones. To fix your headphones, you first need to figure out where the problem hides. Put on headphones and play music while moving the outer cable. Listen carefully to see if the sound momentarily returns to both sides. If it does, you know the broken part is in that specific part of the cable and needs to be repaired. In this video I will show you how to cut out the damaged section and replace it using the remaining length of the cable. If your head is as big as a Shrek and you can't afford to shorten the cable length, check out my previous tutorial on how to replace the entire cable. Before I start the repairing, make sure to watch my video on how to not to storage these headphones, as it can damage the cable, which is probably why you are here, with one side not working. As always, if you face any difficulties or have questions while following this tutorial, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Now, let's get to work. Thank you.